Other guys and us, finally. I'm here now outside of SM North and I have to take a bus going back to Cubao. You know what? It's really changed and they really evolved. Before there's no extension like this one, just a plane that there's totally no extension of building like this. You will transfer with what's the kind of stairs, overpass. And then good thing that it's no longer a very long way to get at the carousel or a bus going back to Cubao. Not unlike before that you have to go there for a few, like not really like a few, lots of walk before you go to, hold on, before you have your bus going back to Cubao. Not unlike here, it's some kind of a near. So take a look guys and gals. See that? And about in here. Not only SM North has been changed, but also on this part. So I have to go down. There it is, I told you. So it's a kind of a near carousel. There it is. For how many minutes? Cubao. Cubao. So there it is, Cubao. So it's no longer a hassle. Bye for now.
Ya, Maria lang ya.